Three things to be successful with a winter storm. Start with one. Make sure the babies are warm. Step 2, bibs, boots. 3, we're talking Troy-Bilt. We're talking 30-inch. We're talking 2-stage, throwing the snow mile. Yeah, this is quite a bit. Step 4, put your almost 2-month-old in the snow and take a picture of her. Step 5, clear the driveway. So, gave you all the stuff you need to survive a snowstorm here. I forgot what I said. Another tip: don't lose power. You know that you're totally out of your control, so one of those things you got to pray for. But don't lose the power. That'd be a bad day.